what we're going to have a look in this video, which is going to be a really short video, is fitting the propeller guards to the DJI Mavic Air 2. You saw the unboxing in one of my earlier videos. Here we've got the propeller guards laid out, generally just how they come out of the box, all clumped together like that. We're also going to need the drone. I'm just going to put the drone to one side at the moment, and we'll just have a look at these propeller guards. I'll try to take some photos as well, but what we're looking at, they have some markings on the inside of them, and the markings indicate whether it's front, back, left or right. So this particular one is left back. This one is left front. And here we have right back and right front. First thing to do then is put them into the pairs of right and left. So I've got the left hand side here, right hand side here. And then we need to join the pairs together. I'll just move the right ones out of the way. And these are the left ones here. And you basically have a little insertion clip here. Goes inside like that. And clip and done. It's not a clip hold, so it doesn't actually hold itself in. It's easy slide on and off. But that's because the clips here attached to the drone are the ones that then hold it in place. But that's the left hand one. And then you do the same one. The same with the right hand side one there. So we end up with two ready to go installed on the left hand side and on the right hand side. Fairly easy at that point. Left front, left back. So if we look at this one here, that is left back. Okay, but that's on the left hand side, okay, and at the back. And you sort of hope, therefore, yeah, that one is the right hand back. Just open these clips up on here. And that's the first problem I hit. So I got them all set up like this. I got my drone, just create a bit of space here, and I opened up the propellers on my drone. Standard process. Top two open up, bottom two lift up and down. Okay. And then I started trying to fit them. But hold on a minute, this is left back and that's left front, left hand side of the drone. Okay, turn it around. That is not fitting. So no matter how I try and fit this, it's not fitting. Got the manual out, absolutely got the manual out at this point, and it becomes fairly obvious once you either read the manual or someone explains this to you. But the assumption is you're mounting these propeller guards out in the field. And basic guidance for safety from a drone is, if you're going to launch the drone, face it away from you. And that is the basic instructions for fitting the propeller guards. Face the drone away from you. Left is now still your left, not the drone left, or the left from looking behind. And right on your right hand side. And then all you do is you lift the drone up and you put each of the propellers inside a guard there. And you take the clip, bring the clip over and clip it, and that makes a clicking sound there. And then you do the same with the front. Like that. And suddenly begins to make sense now. And you can see from there the general shape, how they go. And the propeller guards are protecting the outside of the propellers. So let's do the other side then. Put both legs in, make sure the clips are open, open it up, into the legs and clip down. Propeller guards fitted. Open the propellers up and you'll see they'll rotate quite cleanly inside there. And then if you want to look at it from the other side, you can just turn the drone around them and you can see fitted across the legs, all looking okay. Remember, the propeller guards are designed to stop the drone from going sideways into something and therefore stopping the propellers or damaging them, and also stopping the propellers from cutting into things. The original intent, from what I can see, was they were designed for indoor flying. So again, if you're hitting a wall or something indoors, you're hitting the propeller guard, it's still going to knock the drone around and the drone's still going to struggle, but at least you're not actually damaging the propellers at that point. For me, I use them outside just while I'm getting used to the drone, just in case I go near any trees or bushes or anything like that, or to be fair, sometimes the ground, when I don't spot the ground going up a little bit steep and I'm not bringing the drone up. Saying that, I haven't actually needed the propeller guards yet. I haven't hit anything, been very careful. And here we can see the propeller guards in action out in the field on one of my first flights. So you see it taking off now, and the propeller guards are out the way, but the drone is flying perfectly well. Here's what it looks like from the GoFly app. So we're going to takeoff mode. The drone takes off. And here you'll see it's identified the propeller guards and the performance is lower to ensure flight safety. But that's the installation of the DJI propeller guards on the DJI Mavic Air 2. Very short video. If you enjoyed the video, please press like. Subscribe to the channel where I'll be sharing more footage on drones, the drone technology, camera technology, and some of the kit I've got for using my drone, and some drone flight video as well. Thank you very much. See you next time.